Hey guys, so you're probably wondering how to use Chrome extensions on Android. What you actually need are different browsers, okay? So you come here on your Play Store, you just search up, for example, this one, Microsoft Edge Canary, okay? This is another browser you can go ahead and use. This one, you can use extensions, you can download them here. That is an option, right? And there's other ones as well, like the Yandex browser. Come back here, search it up. Because if you're trying to use it on Chrome extensions on your Android, then they don't have that available yet. These other browsers, you can access, these extensions. So just install these ones. I'll give you one more here before we go. We'll give you this one, Firefox. Okay, this one has most of the extensions that Chrome has. Okay, and it's actively maintained, right? So this one is perfect. Yandex also supports the Chrome extensions, so that one would be perfect for you. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.